If you're tackling metal connector projects, the BOSTITCH framing nailer is designed to get the job done right. Featuring a full round head and a bend yield of 100,000 psi. This tool offers the durability and precision you need to secure metal connectors with confidence. It's a reliable choice for professionals who won't settle for less. BOSTITCH has a rich history dating back to 1896, when Thomas Briggs founded the Boston Wire Stitch Company. Originally focused on wire stitching machines for binding books and boxes, the company evolved alongside fastening technology. Their innovation in collated fasteners revolutionized efficiency, setting the stage for today's advanced nailers. The framing nailer itself is compact yet powerful, measuring just 7.87 centimeters long, 10.16 centimeters wide, and 21.34 centimeters high. This makes it easy to handle in tight spaces without sacrificing strength. Whether you're working on a construction site or a detailed metal framing project, this nailer adapts to your needs effortlessly. What sets the BOSTITCH framing nailer apart is its specialization for metal connector applications. Unlike standard nailers, it's engineered to deliver consistent, strong fastening that holds up under stress. This means fewer mistakes, less rework, and a smoother workflow from start to finish. Users across the United States praise the BOSTITCH framing nailer as the perfect match for the BOSTITCH strapshot nailer. Many find it hard to locate locally, which speaks to its specialized appeal and trusted reputation among professionals who demand quality and reliability. Beyond this model, BOSTITCH continues to innovate with products like the N88RH2MCN dual-purpose round head nailer and the SC7 ring tool. Their commitment to engineered nails and high-speed machines keeps them at the forefront of fastening technology. If you're ready to upgrade your toolkit with a framing nailer built for metal connectors, this BOSTITCH model is worth a look. It combines historical expertise with modern design, delivering what you need for dependable, efficient fastening. Try it when you're ready to experience a nailer that stands up to the toughest jobs. With BOSTITCH, you get a tool that's proven, precise, and built to last.